Oliver is a young athlete whose dedication and talent have made him a leading figure in 10-metre air rifle shooting. He is the junior men's 10-metre air rifle champion and is currently ranked the #1 junior in Wales, 2nd junior in Britain, and 8th overall in Britain across all ages. He also holds the Welsh junior men's record and stands 3rd among all male shooters in Wales, proving his ability beyond the junior level. Oliver's skill and commitment have earned him places on both the Welsh Performance and British Talent Pathway programmes.
Mae Ashwin yn aelod selog o glwb judo Olympaidd Samurai ac yn athletwr ifanc eithriadol. Mae ei angerdd a'i ddisgyblaeth yn golygu ei fod yn sefyll mas. Mae'n dominyddu ar y mat ac mae'n dal teitlau pencampwr Prydain, pencampwr Cymru a phencampwr agored Cymru. Mae Ashwin yn cynrychioli Prydain ar y llwyfan ryngwladol ac yn cystadlu dros Gymru mewn cystadlaethau tîm cenedlaethol o bwys. Yng nghystadleuaeth tîmau cenedlaethol Prydain, fe oedd yr unig gystadleuaeth gwrywaidd i ennill bob gornest.
At just 12 years old, Caden has already made an impressive mark in judo. This season, he claimed gold at the Welsh Schools Championships and bronze at the Minor British Championships, alongside gold at the National Championships and bronze at the Dragon Academy Open. Selected for the Welsh squad, Caden also earned his club's Judoka's Choice Award, recognising his commitment, teamwork and respect. Caden consistently supports his teammates and exemplifies outstanding sportsmanship. Remarkably, he is the first Carmarthen Judo Club member in 30 years to win a British medal.